Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send files from your phone to your laptop. To do that, you're gonna need an internet connection because we're gonna be using an online service called pairdrop.net. So open your web browser, search engine, and look for pairdrop.net website. Open the official pairdrop.net website, and here, to link your phone with your laptop, click this link icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then you can either open the same website on your phone, then click on the link icon on your phone and enter this code into this field on your phone. Alternatively, you can use this QR code to connect. To do that, simply scan it using your phone's camera. I'm gonna do it this way because it's way convenient. Once you scan this QR code and follow the link on your phone, your devices will be connected automatically. Once your devices are paired, you'll be able to see your phone's icon on your laptop screen and your laptop's icon on your phone screen. To send file from your phone, select your laptop's icon, then select the file that you want to send. Then click Add and wait. Accept the file on your laptop and wait until it's downloaded. It's gonna take a while, usually a couple of seconds for smaller files. And once the photo is downloaded, in my case it's photo, you'll be able to open it on your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.